Hello, my name is Oli Williams and I'm a researcher at King's College London and the Healthcare Improvement Studies Institute. I'm here to introduce this new weight stigma learning activity that is facilitated by an evidence-based comic that I co-created with the award-winning illustrator Jade Sarson. The comic is called The Weight of Expectation and is based on the findings of a 4-year research project that I conducted, which explored the relationships between body weight and health, inequalities in the incidence of ill health and obesity, and the stigma people of higher weights encounter in their everyday lives. The Weight of Expectation tells the story of how stigma associated with body weight and size gets under the skin and is felt in the flesh. It's been used in health services and education programs around the world to address the issue of weight stigma. We hope that it will help those working for and with public services in Scotland to reflect on and have constructive conversations about weight stigma and, where necessary, to change services and practice in order to provide people of all weights and sizes better care. We would like you to use the Weight of Expectation comic to have conversations about weight stigma. The comic should only take a few minutes to look through, though you may want to spend a bit more time with it. So have a look through the comic and reflect, or get together in pairs or small groups and share your thoughts with each other. Perhaps you would like to reflect on how the content of the comic relates to the services you help to provide. We've written 5 questions to stimulate these conversations. We've also written some notes which you may find helpfully guide your reflection or discussion. Take a look and see what you think. Here you will find a digital copy of the comic as well as questions and notes that I mentioned earlier. Once you've found these, just engage with the comic, share your thoughts with your colleagues and see where the conversation goes. You will also find an audio version of the comic. We worked with Vida Training to create this recording in order to ensure that the comic is accessible to anyone with vision impairment. Thank you for your interest in and willingness to engage with this activity. I hope it helps you and your team to have useful conversations about this important issue.